shiny.
I can't get it out.
Here's your shovel. There it goes. What is it?
I don't know.
Let me see. It's a ladder.
It is?
Yep.
A ladder.
Hold it flat in your hand. Let's see it. You're silly.
Oh, what's that?
It's a ladder. You push it out there, and fire comes out right here. That don't work though.
You have to pull this down first, then squeeze this down.
Yep. Does it got any name, initials, or anything? Nope. It's a Zippo. Coop fine. I don't see any. Well, sometimes they engrave names and stuff on it. Don't see any. Coop fine.
Is there any fire in it?
Nope. No fire.
No, not anymore?
Not anymore. It's been in the ground a while.
Yeah,
Put it in your pouch.
It must be old.
Yeah, it ain't that old.
No? Oh yeah! We forgot all about it.
Cool, fine.
Here.
Put it in your pouch.
Wait. I just remembered something. And it's been a very long time. But we're using, guess.
What? The foo-foo. You gonna foo-foo it?
Mm-hmm. See?
I see.
I'm cleaning it.
All right. So let's go find something else.
Wait, I'm not done yet.
Okay. Well, go ahead and finish.
How do you close this thing?
Let's see. There you go.
I'm spraying my baby up. I'm spraying my baby up. I'm spraying my baby up.
Oh. That's cold. Stop.
Bye bye guys. Happy Foo Foo Day.